Hi, it's Miss Molly. I wanted to send you a little tutorial about what I want you to focus on this coming week. We've been working on trying to read more fluently, reading out loud fluently. And this will help you hear what you're reading in a more fluid way, which means that you'll be able to actually comprehend what you're reading better. And one of the ways that we do this is like we did last week, reading, like in groups of like chunks of words into phrases. We're going to do the same thing, but it's going to be a little more, what do you want to call it? A little more focused, I guess. What I want you to do is I want you to be very studious about it. And you're going to open your book and you're going to have a little pencil in your hand. And you're going to mentally read the words to yourself, trying to group the words in a way that sound just right. And then once you find the way you group them just right, you're going to put little parentheses around the groups of words. And you're going to practice reading it that way. And when you feel like you've got it just right, you're going to record yourself on Flipgrid. Let me give you an example. So this is an excerpt from a story called Number the Stars. I'm going to read it in a couple of different ways that sound kind of awkward, and then I'm going to do it until I find just the right way. But Kirsty reached up and pushed the soldier's hand away. I don't like that. But Kirsty reached up and pushed the soldier's hand away. I don't like that either. I'm going to try and do 3 words together and see how that sounds. But Kirsty reached up and pushed the soldier's hand away. I'm going to slow it down and try to do group maybe 4 words and 3 words together. But Kirsty reached up and pushed the soldier's hand away. That sounds better. It sounds a little more natural. So I'm going to try and do it again, but I'm going to put the parentheses around them. But Kirsty reached up and pushed the soldier's hand away. Nice. And so now I'm going to read those words that are grouped together. But Kirsty reached up and pushed the soldier's hand away. I like that. So I'm going to continue doing that through this whole script or this whole excerpt. And then when I've finished all of my parentheses, I'm going to practice. I'm going to rehearse reading it out loud and then record it on Flipgrid. So I'm just going to go through this and see if it'll help you a little bit. Don't, she said loudly. She said loudly. I said those 3 words together. Okay. Both soldiers began to laugh. No, I don't like that. Both soldiers began to laugh. I don't like that either. Both soldiers began to laugh. That sounds more natural. Both soldiers began to laugh. So go through it all the way to the end. Make sure it sounds natural. And then you're going to reread what you see in parentheses, almost like as one long word. And then record it on Flipgrid. So this isn't going to be like casual reading where, you're getting into the book and you're like nice and cozy under the covers. You're studying how the words come together to sound natural. Okay? All right. Good luck.